Trees can be both a blessing and a burden. While they offer shade, beauty and environmental benefits, their proximity to structures can pose significant risks, sometimes subtle, others dramatic. Understanding these risks is essential for homeowners, property developers and surveyors alike. I'm Paul Badham, Associate Director at RICS Chartered Surveyors, and in this video we'll explore the key dangers, contributing factors and how to manage trees responsibly near buildings. One of the most serious risks is subsidence. This is where tree roots extract moisture from the soil, especially shrinkable clay, causing it to contract. This can lead to foundation movement, resulting in cracks in walls, ceilings and floors. Subsidence is most common during periods of dry weather when trees draw more water from the ground. High-risk trees include oak, willow and poplar. These are known for their aggressive root systems. Where buildings are more vulnerable, such as older properties with shallow foundations or on highly plastic soils, particularly those built before the 1950s, may be more vulnerable. Conversely, heave occurs when a tree is removed and the soil reabsorbs moisture, expanding and pushing upward against the foundation. This can also cause structural instability and damage, especially in clay soils. Sometimes the tree roots can physically penetrate or disrupt structures like driveways, garden walls and even building foundations. While roots rarely break through sound footings, they can exploit cracks and weaknesses, leading to further deterioration. Roots naturally seek out moisture, making underground drainage systems particularly vulnerable. If a pipe has even a small leak, roots may infiltrate and grow inside, causing blockages or damage. Expanding root systems can also shift or crack underground utilities such as water, gas and electrical lines. This can result in leaks, contamination, electrical issues, and may often require substantial and costly repairs. There's also storm and weather-related hazards. During storms or high winds, overgrown or weakened branches can snap and fall, damaging roofs, vehicles or injuring people. Overhanging limbs brushing against roofs can also cause damage. Diseased or poorly rooted trees may fall entirely during extreme weather. This poses a serious safety hazard, especially if the tree is large or close to the property. Leaves can clog gutters and drains, leading to water overflow and potential damp issues. Accumulated debris may also attract pests or promote mold growth. Root systems can lift patios, paths and lightweight structures like sheds or garages. While they typically can't move heavy buildings, they can cause uneven surfaces and trip hazards. Trees growing near property lines can lead to disputes over ownership, responsibility and maintenance. Overhanging branches or encroaching roots may require a legal resolution. Subsidence or storm damage caused by trees can lead to complex insurance claims. Some insurers may require tree removal or impose higher premiums if the trees are deemed a risk. Shrinkable clay soils are the most vulnerable to subsidence and heave. Tree species. Larger trees with extensive root systems also pose a greater risk. Age and health. Older or diseased trees are more likely to fall or shed branches. Building type. Shallow foundations and other construction methods may also increase susceptibility to damage. Weather patterns. Dry summers and wet winters also can exacerbate soil movement. So what are the best practices for tree management? Well, firstly, safe planting distances. Following guidelines for planting trees at safe distances from buildings. For example, oak trees may require up to 30 metres of clearance. However, every site is unique, so professional advice is crucial. Secondly, regular inspections. You should have the trees regularly inspected by certified arborists, especially after storms or if signs of disease appear. Early intervention can also prevent major issues. Thirdly, prudent pruning. Maintaining trees with proper pruning to reduce their weight, remove deadwood and prevent overgrowth. You should, however, avoid aggressive or damaging techniques. If the tree is protected, you will probably need approval from the local authority before pruning or removal. Drainage maintenance. You should ensure that drains and gutters are clear and watertight to prevent root intrusion. Replace aging pipes with modern sealed systems if it's required. Also, you should obtain professional advice. If you suspect tree-related damage, consult a building surveyor or tree specialist. Avoid relying solely on visual assessments or DIY solutions. Trees near buildings are not inherently dangerous, but they require thoughtful management. The risks range from subtle soil movement to dramatic structural failures, and the consequences can be costly. By understanding the factors involved in taking proactive steps, you can enjoy the benefits of trees whilst also safeguarding your property. If you need help or advice on this or any other topics, please feel free to get in touch via our website, harrisonclarke.co.uk, and we'll see you in our next video.